Yeah, I never let nobody with no motion try to hold me. I'm an OG, and that's the old me. The way I'm sitting nowadays, the money stacked 9 ways. I'm sipping on a latte, why they all call me bougie, bougie, bougie. I don't want no prayers from no haters, probably waiting on my downfall. Mad that we made it in my wins on time. Why you trying to delay it? And they say it's authentic, but they wins look plated. They fake though, and I need all my cheese, queso, provolone, and get all of my dogs out the trap like Home Alone. And Creed said I'm locked in, I really got no options. Standing on business, I need mines off the top then. Let them go ahead and count us all out. We just running up the numbers, watch us hit another level. Hey, can't hold me back. Put the city on the map, boy, how you love that? Boy, they thought that I was playing, but I hit another level. About to hit another level, had to hit another level. Hey, hit another level. Finna hit another level, gotta hit another level. Hit another level. About to hit another level, had to hit another level. Ayy, hit another level. Finna hit another level. Ayy, hit another level. Hit another half meal, mixing bass and truck. I got a whole lot of cheese on my knots. Look at they covered in garlic. That mean that money it felt like a pizza. I get it and split with my partners. Look here, I'm moving with flavor. My business, you can't even learn it in college. I've been through hell, I done been in this skillet with fire. Hold up, little homie, please don't get up on me. Don't mess up the aura.